Going to be showing you guys how you guys can basically fix your iPhone calendar not refreshing. So if you're facing this problem, your iPhone calendar is going to be stuck in a single date. So in my case, let's say if I was facing this problem, then my iPhone calendar is going to be stuck on May 18, and even if it is like May 20, 30, it's still going to be May 18. If you're facing this problem, your iPhone is not going to reset every 24 hour. In that case, you're facing this problem, so let me show you guys how you guys can fix it. Make sure to switch off your iPhone and turn it on. After switching off your iPhone and turning on, it should be fixed. Even if it's still not fixed, what you can do is go on setting, and under setting what you want to do is go on versus general, and under general tab there's going to be software update. Click on it. Once you click on it, if a software update is available over here, make sure to click on install now, and it's going to take a bit of time, but after it finishes installing, as you guys can see, in my case I have a software update. Now what I need to do is click on download and install, and the software will download and install. So if you also have this thing, make sure to do that. And even after downloading your software update, or like you didn't have any software update, if you don't have any software update, it means your iPhone is up to date, so you don't have to worry about it. But even after downloading and installing a software update it didn't fix, then what you can do is just follow the step. First step, make sure like you check your internet connection is stable or not, because sometimes due to slow internet connection it also causes this problem. So if your internet connection is slow, you can turn on your data connection. And your data connection, how you can turn on is just click on the button which is right beside the airplane mode, a little antenna looking icon. You can click on it and it'll turn on. Even after switching from internet to data and from data to internet, it didn't work. What you can do is just go on setting over here, and on settings scroll a bit down until you see calendars. Once you see calendars, click on calendars. Once you see calendars over here, you want to go on accounts, and on accounts click on iCloud. Once you click on iCloud, if it asks you to sign in into your account again, then that's basically the problem. It happens because sometimes sometimes iPhone auto logs you out from your account, or like your login period expired, so you need to relog in into your account. So you need to click on iCloud, log in into your iCloud account, and then you need to click on Gmail and log in into your Gmail account, because sometimes just simply doing this is gonna fix your problem. Alright, and even after logging into your iCloud and Gmail account didn't fix your problem, just go and fetch new data, and over here if your push is turned off, make sure to turn it on. And if your automatically is not tick marked, make sure to tick mark automatically. And even if automatically is already tick marked, what you can do is go on manual and go on automatically again. What this is going to do is this is going to reset your setting for a time.